Yeah. Yes. Alright, so I just got home from work. Just got my package, if you guys saw my little unboxing. So now I'm going to try to do a speed install and a quick unboxing real quick. So let's see how fast I can get this shit installed. Alright, so I slid this out of the sleeve. What else? How do you open this? What the fuck? Okay, so I guess that opens from here. Cool. Alright. Alright. Whatever. Aha! Plug and play kit, I think. Okay, that's the bracket, that's the bolts, that's the plug and play harness. And there's nothing else in this box, so it's trash. Alright, so this is the actual unit. I think I've watched enough to match my taillights. I think I've watched enough tutorials on how to do this, so I think I could do this all by hand, so let's see. Alright, excuse my mess of a car right now. I just took it back from the snow. But I'm going to try and do this without taking off anything. So the first thing that I have to do is probably take this off. So I'm going to try and do that. I don't know if you're going to see anything, so we'll see. Alright, so since life isn't easy, and it never is, I have to actually take apart my diffuser, which I haven't done since I first got it, and I don't remember how this thing works. So fingers crossed, because I don't know where anything goes anymore. I don't even know how this thing's held on. Like, I see 2 bolts. Alright, I take it back. I got it off. Alright, now let's see how the fuck I take the rest of this thing off. It's only held on by a few screws and bolts. How the fuck? Alright. Alright, so I got this little piece of shit out. What I had to do was that I just pushed on these bottom 2 clips and I kind of just yeeted it out using my little handy dandy snap-on flathead. This thing comes in so clutch. Alright, so I got this little mount thing. I'm probably gonna go grab those bolts in there and I'll figure out what the hell's going on afterwards. I'll let you guys know. Alright, so far what I found, it came with a pop clip. I put that pop clip right there on the right side, if you can see that. And then I put the whole bracket on. with the sides holding it into place. So the outside flaps are inside the bracket, and we're holding onto that. So if I have that holding in place, I'm going to put the bolt on the side where that washer is, and then I'm going to put the pop clip on the other side, and then see what happens from there. Alright, so far so good for winging it. I got the bolt in and I got the pop clip in. So now I think all I gotta do is put the entire assembly in and then hardwire it into my taillight, and I think we should be good. Alright, now just time to take out the clips here and here. There's a third one, but I already have it off because I destroyed my car. And then after that we'll plug it into my Subi Speed taillights. Let's see how they look. Alright, so I think I figured out the wiring. So blue goes to red, red goes to yellow, which is kind of funny because I thought red would go to red, but it doesn't. So coincidentally enough, the red wire has this thing, but it's technically supposed to go to here. If that focuses. So I think I'm gonna cut this and plug it into the plug and play and see if that works. Alright, so I have all the wiring lined up, so now I'm just going to plug it into my taillights. I'm going to test, see if it works, and then after that I'm going to put the rest of the bolts in to finalize it up. Alright, moment of truth. Alright, this bitch works. Alright, I'm just going to put the last two bolts in to secure it into place, and then cleanup time. Alright, the absolute moment of truth. Oh yeah. Sex. Alright, so it's installed, the fuser's still installed. Now time to give it a test. See how it looks. Alright, aside from all the cleanup that I probably just have to reinstall that trim piece and a little bit of my trunk, but other than that, that's how you install an F1 light in like a few minutes.